Hello everyone, welcome to week 2 of Vlogmas. We've already pulled our number 5 for today because it's the 5th. And we're gonna make some gingerbread cookies. And Maya, she has to go potty. Of course, she always has to go whenever I'm doing something. Give me 1 minute, Amaya, okay? So I have my gingerbread cookie stuff ready to go. I'm actually shooting a video for TiffyQuake, the channel. It's gonna be a holiday recipe recreations that I found on TikTok. So if you wanna check out that video, I'll put it somewhere on the screen. The first one, I'm so excited for this. Like, I've just been on like a sweets kick. It's definitely that holiday season. It's been a minute though since I've made some gingerbread cookies, so I'm pretty excited about this. And I just kind of, wanted to look cute just wanted to get cute, which isn't very often anymore, but I just felt like getting festive. Oh, beat it. I'm so messy today. Gonna bake some cookies, we're gonna bake some cookies. It's gonna smell really good. Risky business making cookies with a baby on you. Ooh, see it mixing in there? Look at it melt. And now for the final touch. Oh, I should probably let the chocolate melt or dry. That looks so cute.
Ho, 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 what do we have here? Oh, man.
I want to get the small one.
Get this one because it's just dripping out. Cheers, baby. This smells so good.
This is...
This is super dangerous.
We can't have this in the house. Wow, TikTok. No wonder why it has 7 million views. Wowzers. I think if they were smaller, they'd be perfect.
Yeah, bite size.
Homemade. Everything.
Damn, girl. You are hitting this out of the park. You know what? I love the holidays.
Me too. See, number 6.
6.
Number 6, Leo. Can you find
Leo.
number 6?
Where's number 6? Look, it's right there.
Oh.
6. What could it be?
What's it gonna be?
Hot cocoa and a
Holiday
movie.
It's a movie night. All right, so it's the next day. I made the gingerbread cookies. Here is what they came out. They came out so good. Like, they look super cute. Oh, well, they looked better when they were fresh. The whipped cream didn't really last in the fridge. So they were a little too rich for my liking. I'll probably adjust the recipe if I'm gonna make them again. But I did like using this technique where it's like you roll it and then you put something to melt in the middle. I think the gingerbread dough was a little too gingerbready, if that's a thing. But we have some more treats for the rest of the week. And Miss Amaya, I feel like I need to make you something, huh? I feel like I need to make her something for her first Christmas with us. I don't have any doggy things planned for this advent calendar, but maybe if I have some time. All right, so today we're having hot cocoa and doing a movie. I decided to make my own hot cocoa and we're gonna do a Mexican hot chocolate. Hey, we're using Abuelita. I literally used to eat these just like gnawing on them as a kid, and I wanted to make a proper, Mexican hot chocolate. Still don't know which movie I'm gonna watch, but we'll figure that out. Mario's playing with Leo right now, and I am actually looking up a good recipe for some authentic Mexican hot chocolate. But yeah, I will put the recipe down below in the description if you guys want to make one. I'm gonna do the whipped cream. We're gonna like shave the chocolate on it. It's gonna be beautiful. I gotta get some footage for my TikTok, so here we go. Dada.
All right, Mama.
Let's see how it tastes.
Look at this presentation, though. Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
A plus. Are you serious?
Wow. This is the best hot chocolate I've made.
I was
so
gonna
far.
say this has to be one of the best I've ever tried. This is so good.
Day number 7.
Day 7.
All right. See
Okay.
what it is, Leo.
What do you think of this, Leo? More cookies.
We just made cookies. We gotta space them out.
I want more cookies.
He wants more cookies. Okay, let's see.
Christmas music disco party. What? Woo, 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 woo,
Disco
woo,
party.
woo. Disco party. Yeah!
All right, it's day number 8. Leo, it's day number 8.
Day number 8. Let's go, baby.
That's Daddy's favorite number.
Yay! It is.
Yay!
All right. What can it
What
be?
is it? Oh my God.
I have a feeling.
I know.
What?
Read?
Nice. Read How the Grinch Stole Christmas.
Should have made it Home Alone.
Yep. Should have.
Missed opportunity.
Yep. I was like, I have a feeling.
Dang it. Well,
That's your second favorite movie.
yeah.
Yeah.
Puppy got me some flowers. They're so pretty. I'm gonna arrange them. It has literally been years since I have seen this book. To be honest with you, I don't even remember reading this as a child. Just seen the movie. It's all coming back to me. I know we definitely read the book, but it must have been so long ago. I'm gonna have fun reading through this one. Let's do it, Leo.
All right. Story time with Mama.
Story time with Mama and Dada. This is how the Grinch stole Christmas. Every Who down in Whoville liked Christmas a lot, but the Grinch who lived just north of Whoville did not. The Grinch hated Christmas the whole Christmas season. Now please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason, but whatever the reason, his heart or his shoes, he stood there on Christmas Eve, hating the Whos, staring down from his cave with a sour, grinchy frown. And they're hanging their stockings, he snarled with sneer. Tomorrow is Christmas, it's practically here. Then he growled with his Grinch fingers, nervously drumming. I must find some way to stop Christmas from coming.
All right. Today's day number 9.
Can you count? Wait, Leo?
Leo.
Where's number 9?
9.
Number 9.
9. Look. This is the number 9.
Oh, you see it? Oh, it's shiny, huh?
Look.
9.
Let's check what it is. Ready? And it's a bake gingerbread cookies and decorate. What? What does that mean?
Gingerbread cookies. Yummy, yummy, yum.
More baking. Yay.
And we already got our dough. Roll it. We're gonna do gingerbread man. Ready? Oh, gingerbread man, look. And we're gonna drop it right here. Ooh, look at these bad boys ready for the oven.
Siéntate aquí.
Siéntate aquí, mi amor. You want a Christmas tree?
Christmas tree.
Gonna decorate cookies. Daddy made a nice tree, huh?
Yeah, just trying to add some random lines to it, so then it goes with everything else. You see that? Oh, there we go.
This gingerbread's a Mexican
Wow.
flag.
Yeah. It's a Mexican gingerbread man.
Mama's gonna give this gingerbread man a scarf.
Thank you for helping me with that.
Yeah, Leo, you did a good job.
Yeah, thank you.
You're letting him grab it. You know he's gonna put it in his mouth.
Whoa.
He broke it.
Broke it.
What did you think was gonna happen? I didn't get to show you guys the gingerbread cookies, but here are mine. I'm gonna use these for a photo shoot with Leo, the snowman, and this guy. And then
Don't use mine.
we're gonna show.
Mine are horrendous.
You ate the snowman, man. That was my favorite one.
I ate it because that was.
That was my favorite one. Day number 10. Day number 10. Okay, ready?
Ready. Make holiday TikTok
Cranberry muffins. I forgot I was doing this today. Mommy forgot she's baking again?
Dude, that oven is getting
Again?
Seriously. I love it.
Oh my gosh, okay. This is getting hard.
It's
getting hard to keep up with.
That seems hard. Muffins, I guess, I don't know.
I'll have to do it later though.
I can't wait. Give me
Oh, I'm excited.
all the bread.
This TikTok recipe looked bomb. I looked at the recipe and it's not cranberry. It's gingerbread streusel muffins. I don't know where I got the cranberry from.
Ooh, that sounds even better.
Gingerbread streusel.
Oh,
I'm gonna need some eggnog for this one.
oh eggnog. Let's go to the store and get some eggnog.
Can we just make eggnog?
I don't know. I've never made it before.
I've never made it before. Let's just buy some at the store.
Yeah, easy peasy.
Yeah. Okay, so that's all it was, and then we just mix it around. It smells so good. Here is our mixture. It kind of looks like a different color from hers. I'm just gonna put a little bit in. I don't have a cute little scooper, so we're just gonna have to do it the old school way. It smells really good. Oh, it's actually forming nicely. You're just supposed to sprinkle it on top before you bake it. And then we're just gonna sprinkle it on our muffins. Just like that. Oh, I'm excited for this. I always love when muffins have this on top. I didn't know it was called streusel, and I never knew how to do it. So TikTok coming in again hot. All right, after 16 minutes, they weren't done, so I put them in for another 5. So I think they're done. Here is how they came out. I'm letting them cook in the pan for 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna take them out and put them on a cooling rack.
Yeah. These look delicious. Okay, Mom goes first. Cause she.
First?
Yeah.
Okay.
She made them. Whoa. Whoa.
How am I gonna lose weight?
Oh no, baby, you made the calendar.
I'm gonna make one for January. That's a detox.
Yeah. That is so good.
What do you think of the actual muffin?
It's good. It's not
Could you-
gingerbread bready like the other one, like the spices.
Yeah, there wasn't
They
that
don't
much ginger.
Yeah, they don't punch through like how the other one did.
They're pretty good. I would say the dough is a little dense. The actual muffin, like I want it to be fluffier. The streusel and the topping, sugar. Sugar and butter. It's good. I would give it an 8. Maybe a 7.5.
I give it an 8.
7.5, 8.
Yeah, I think that it is dense. If it was a little fluffier,
It's still good though.
It would be a 10.
Okay, the muffins were a hit. I literally have only one left, and I'm saving that one for my dad. I think I really like making recipes off of TikTok just because I find new things to make, and I've been baking so much more this year, and it's making me so happy, even though it's like kind of a little much sometimes with a baby and like doing something every single day. But I don't know, I just realized like I really did miss baking, and it brings me so much happiness. Now I just gotta figure out a way to do it and not eat really bad things all the time. I've been thinking about maybe doing like another advent calendar, but for January, and it be kind of like a detox thing, a more like healthy living kind of thing, because yeah, definitely feel like a detox is needed. These weeks are going by so fast. Christmas is almost here, and I still don't have all my shopping done, so I need to order all the things that I need because I don't want to go out into the public. Is that a bad thing? During the holiday season, it's always so crazy, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in the next week. See you later. Bye bye.